The best way to learn NextJs is that we have to create projects. So that's why I decided to create projects to learn NextJs. Today in this part of NextJs we will create projects. So this will be our first project, and guys we will understand about NextJs from this project, and guys next we will create second project, and guys from that second project we will create a beautiful website. So guys right now we will create only a blog app. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, here first of all here I'm going to open this using command prompt. And guys now here we have opened this using command prompt, and guys now next here we have to open browser, and guys now here we have to start nextjs.org, and guys now here you can see this page, and guys now next you can see the React framework for production. So guys with NextJs we can create React app, and guys it will be much faster. And guys now let's open documentation, and guys you can see 3 ways to install NextJs. And guys if you are using Yarn, then guys go and install it using Yarn. But guys if you are using NPX, then guys go and install it using NPX. But guys I will recommend you with Yarn because Yarn is faster. And guys but now here I will install it using NPX. And guys now here we have to open CMD, and guys here over here I'm going to paste this over here, and guys you can see now next here we have to type dblog. So this is the application name we will create. So guys next here you can see now just you have to press the enter, and guys now this is creating our application dblog. So guys this is so guys now you can see using Yarn. So guys this is using React DOM, and next using Yarn. And guys also this will install React router. So as we don't have to download React router is built in NextJs. So guys now here we have to wait for some time. Now here we have created our NextJs application. Success created dblog. So guys now here I'm going to cut this, and guys now here I'm going to open this using VS Code, and guys now you can see yes I touched this folder, and guys now you can see now I'm going to run terminal, and guys you can see new terminal, and guys you can see now here we have to run yarn dev. So guys by using yarn dev we can start our NextJs server. So guys now here just we have type localhost 3000, and guys now you can see this page. So guys congratulations, we have created a NextJs application. So guys now here guys you can see these folders. So now let's understand about folder structure. So guys here I'm going to zoom this, and guys now here first guys you can see node module. So guys here are the module that you will find in NextJs. So guys right now I mean we will not talk about node module, but guys here we will talk about pages. So guys in pages we can create page. So guys here you can see we can create page. So guys now here I type so guys now here I'm going to create a page called about.js. Now here I'm going to type h1, and guys here I'm going to type next.js about, and guys you can see now next here I'm going to type /about, and guys you can see this next is about. We don't have to create any so guys you can see it is so easy, and guys now if you want to use React router in NextJs, then guys also you don't have to download React router. So guys just here I'm going to go to index.js. So guys here I'm going to put here over here I'm going to put /about, and guys now you can see now here I will click on this, and guys now here, so we'll go to last about, and guys also this has loaded, but guys here, but guys in our later videos we will understand more about pages in NextJs. But guys also remember, in public we can put our photos, we can put images, and guys also in the style we can put CSS. So guys, you can see the basic folder structure of NextJs. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful. So guys, if you want to get more videos like this, then guys please make sure to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, now that's it. Bye bye.